High wind warning in effect from 6 a.m. Friday to 6 a.m. Alaska Standard Time Saturday. What? Southeast winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts to 60 miles per hour expected. Winds shifting to the southwest Friday evening. Where? Dixon entrance to Cape Decision coastal area and southern inner channels including Craig, Klawock, Ketchikan, and Metlakatla. When? From 6 a.m. Friday to 6 a.m. Alaska Standard Time Saturday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Power outages are possible. Isolated landslides are possible. Additional details. 2 rounds of high winds are expected during the warning time frame. The first round is Friday morning with strong southeast winds. The second round is Friday night through early Saturday morning with strong southwest winds. Given the saturated ground from recent rain and snow, rising snow levels, and strong winds with a wind shift, there is a rising potential for isolated landslides. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. Use caution if you must drive.